Hi, I'm Nicole Hemrick, and I'm the founder and managing partner at Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC. As some of you may have heard, DHS is implementing an alien registration requirement. This was announced on February 25th, 2025. The regulation has not yet been published, but it is expected to be implemented very soon. Still, the registration form, which is the G325R, is already available in applicants' MyUSCIS accounts. This registration requirement was created to implement the Protecting the American People Against Invasion executive order signed by President Trump on January 20th, 2025. This directs DHS to enforce compliance with alien registration requirements under Section 262 of the Immigration and Nationality Act. This is very serious. The order prioritizes both civil and criminal enforcement against individuals who fail to meet these legal obligations. USCIS has created a website link with information about the registration requirement that has conflicting and incomplete information as of right now. While some categories of those already registered have been provided, some are missing. For example, pending asylees who have already been fingerprinted. The interim final regulation should be carefully reviewed when it is published. As a regulation, not a website announcement, will govern the registration requirement and process. If you're wondering what this registration requirement is about, it is meant for non-citizens residing in the United States to register with DHS, providing personal information such as fingerprints and your home address. It aims to enhance national security and ensure compliance with U.S. immigration laws. Under the law, with limited exceptions, all non-citizens aged 14 and older who are not yet fingerprinted or registered when applying for a U.S. visa and who remain in the United States for 30 days or longer must apply for registration and fingerprinting. Additionally, parents and guardians are responsible for registering children under 14. Once a child reaches his or her 14th birthday, he or she must apply for re-registration and be fingerprinted within 30 days. As stated earlier, we know that the G325R is going to serve as the registration form. We do not yet have a timeline for when this will be effective. You may be wondering who is already considered to be registered. Those are green card holders, visa holders, parolees, employment authorized recipients, and persons in removal proceedings. Who is not considered to be registered? Those are people who entered the United States without inspection, that means crossed the border, Canadians who entered at a land port and were not issued evidence of registration, and those who applied for certain benefits not listed under 8 CFR 264.1a. This includes people in TPS and who are on DACA. So far, USCIS has not specified any fee for this registration process. However, willfully failing to comply can lead to significant penalties, including criminal convictions and civil fines up to $1,000 or imprisonment for up to 6 months. Just so you know, registration does not come with any sort of status or work authorization. Needless to say, this is highly distressing. I hope that this will be stopped, but stay tuned, because the last thing you want is not to comply and then to be subject to penalties. We at Hemrick O'Malley are going to keep on top of the latest news regarding the registration, and I strongly recommend that before you register, if the registration comes to fruition, that you first speak to a licensed immigration attorney to understand what the consequences may be of registering or not registering. If you have questions about this or any other immigration matter, give us a call at 833-848-7838 or check us out online at www.hemrick.law.